Would you like to go to Europe in style on business class? Then keep watching. Hi, I'm Anisha from MyCC Moves, and today I'm going to show you how to fly to Europe on business class for only 40,000 points. And folks, this flight costs over $2,100 if you pay cash. You want to watch this video until the end because I have some very cool tips for you to maximize your points value. Now let's break it down. We are going to book a non-stop flight from New York to Paris on Air France. You will start by creating your free loyalty account with FlyingBlue program. FlyingBlue is a joint loyalty program of Air France and KLM. You'll start by visiting airfrance.us and go to the top right here to sign up. After logging into your account, go to book a flight on the top menu here. You will then select book with miles to start searching for award flights. We are going to select one way from this drop down and enter our departure airport JFK and arrival airport CDG, which is Paris. To view availability for coming months, we are going to leave departure date here blank. We are searching for fares for one person today. We will then select business from this drop down and hit search flights. Once the results get populated, you're going to see a calendar view. Here you will notice the best points price available each month. You want to be flexible with your dates so you can aim for the best points price available. I'm going to select the date as April 27, for which the points price is 50,000 points. But wait, we said this was going to be 40,000 points. How? Until April 30th, Chase is running a transfer bonus of 25% when you transfer your Chase Ultimate Reward points to the FlyingBlue program. Now you need 50,000 points for this business class flight, but with a 25% bonus, you only need to transfer 40,000 points from your Chase account. 40,000 points plus a 25% transfer bonus means extra 10,000 points, which makes the total 50,000. If you want to score this deal, you do need to act by April 30th because that's when the transfer bonus expires. To transfer your points from Chase, make sure you have a card that allows for transfers to travel partners. This includes the Chase Sapphire cards, but it does not include the Chase Freedom, Freedom Flex, and Freedom Unlimited card. However, if you have a combination of the Sapphire and Freedom cards, you will be able to combine your points and then transfer them out using your Sapphire cards. You can start your points transfer by logging into your Chase account and clicking on this box here where you see your points balance. Once you're on this screen, you go to Travel on the top menu here and click on Transfer Points to Partners. You will then see FlyingBlue pop up under Bonus Offers here. You'll start by clicking on this bonus offer and enroll your FlyingBlue number with Chase. After that is done, you'll get to this screen and enter 40,000 as your number of points to transfer. I don't have that many points, so I'm showing you 10,000 points as an example. After this, you'll review and confirm your transfer, and you're all set for the next step. More often than not, Chase transfers to FlyingBlue are going to be instant, so you are now ready to book your Air France ticket. Make sure you head to the Air France account to check if the miles have been credited to your account. After that, you can just follow the steps that we discussed before. Before you go on to book these flights, let me share some important tips with you. Number 1. It's very important that you don't transfer your points before ensuring that there is award tickets available for your dates. And I also recommend setting up about 2 to 3 backup dates in case it does not work out. Number 2, remember that whenever you transfer your credit card points to any of the airline or hotel partners, that points transfer is not reversible, so you cannot transfer those points back to your credit card account. Number 3, we're going to talk about the value that we get from this points booking. And this is how we calculate that cents per point value. To find the cash fare of this flight, I went to Google Flights and searched New York to Paris round trip for my dates. This was about $4,300, so one way comes out to be about $2,100. To calculate the cents per point value, we want to take the one-way fare, subtract the cash we paid in taxes and fees, and then we get to about $1,900. We then convert this dollar value into cents and divide it by the number of points that we paid for this booking, which is 40,000 points. And that gives you a value of 4.8 cents per point, which is amazing. Remember, when you redeem these points on the Chase portal, the best you can get is 1.5 cents per point. Number 4, if you do not have Chase points, you can also transfer Amex, Bilt, Capital One, and Citi points to FlyingBlue. But remember, there is no transfer bonus running on these credit card programs right now. And lastly, number 5, if you don't have enough points to book a business class fare, you can always book an economy ticket. This will be 20,000 points, and with a transfer bonus of 25%, you'll only have to transfer 16,000 points from your Chase account. And that brings us to the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching. If you have any thoughts or questions on this booking, and if you make this booking yourself, let me know in comments. Share this video with a friend who you want to take to Paris with you. And for more credit card and points travel tips, please consider subscribing to MyCC Moves. Happy travels!